Hey guys, it's Paul Singh, the market speculator with bullsonwallstreet.com. Crazy day today, a ton of volatility, not what was expected with the Trump win. Everyone thought the market was going to tank, and a lot of times what's expected does not happen. Now, we can see what happened here with SPY. SPY was up 1% after being down around 4 or 5% after hours yesterday. And we had that futures limit down. Everything looked really bad. The sky was falling. And of course, we get this huge reversal. Now we need to know how to trade this. Now, the intraday traders, the day traders, which some of us are, but we're focused on swing trading here, so we can do both. For our swing trading, we have to be able to separate the intraday kind of volatility and euphoria, be patient, and really analyze what's going on instead of just being able to ride the volatility, pick a stock, and trade it. So we need to go under the hood here, and let's take a look at SPY. The first thing we need to do is compare SPY to IWM, because there were some key developments today that are under the radar here. First of all, SPY was up 1%. Everybody's really happy about that. But if we look at IWM, which is the broader market, the Russell 2000 versus the biggest 500 stocks in the S&P, and the S&P is weighted heavily in those bigger stocks. But if we look at IWM here, it was up 3%. SPY was only up 1%. So what is that telling us? That's telling us the mid caps and the lower floats are the ones that were moving. The big guys were not moving. That is a key development here. So we can't just go into Google, Apple, Facebook. We have to dig deeper here and figure out what to trade. And it's always more difficult when we have to actually do some research, which is what we do. And we actually love it when the Russell is leading, because these smaller stocks are the ones that can really fly. So we love when this is happening. But if we take a look here, look at what happened today. Google was down 0.79%. Facebook down 0.84%. Amazon down 2%. And which one am I missing? Netflix here down 1.73%. The big guys did not participate. Apple here down 0.16, basically flat today. So these guys held SPY back. So on a day like today, when the market is flying, we get this reversal here. We need to figure out what's going on under the hood, where to actually be. That's so key. For swing traders, many of you are just looking for scans and setups, and that's not the most important thing. The most important thing to know is to be able to analyze the market here and know where to be. Right now, it's biotech here. You can see LABU here was up 33%. Now that's a triple leverage. We'll go to IBB. That was up 8.93%. This is a slow mover. XBI is supposed to be a little faster, up 10%. This is more the mid-cap biotechs in here and some of the lower float biotechs. And then, of course, LABU, which tracks XBI, triple leveraged, up 33% today. So we have our eye on biotech. And a little secret here in the trade report, we took a position here. Now, I don't expect it to fly right away. It could pull back. That's okay. We have a loose stop. We'll play it out. These things are very hard to time. But we think biotech is in play with Hillary. No worries about Hillary, putting pressure on the drug companies. So biotech went through the roof today, and this could be a theme. This could be the catalyst going forward. So we know that. Another interesting development is the metals were on fire, and I'm not talking about precious metals. I'm talking about more industrial. Copper here, FCX flying up 8%, X flying up 17%, another steel stock. STLB up 9%, MT up 9%. So steel, copper, basically industrial metals, the place to be right now. And there are a number of other different areas we're looking for that really led the market and is why IWM beat SPY today. And we're going to continue to watch this, see if this is a theme going forward. But whenever you have something significant like this, there's going to be some sector rotation now. What was happening before this, what was working before this, is going to change. And now we have to be able to adapt. That's one of the biggest keys for traders. For swing traders, you must be able to adapt to different market conditions. And that's what we're doing here. Now in the trade report, we go over everything that we're looking at. There's really 6 or 7 key things. I just laid out biotech and metals for you here. So if you want to take a look, go on bullsonwallstreet.com. You can sign up for the Swing Trade Alert Service. I send out my alerts as well. Otherwise, I'll be here with some more free content for you guys, free videos, free blog posts in the coming days.